So yes, next we'll go into the topic of food pyramid, and this is first introduced by United States Department of Agriculture and USDA. అంటే ప్రీవియస్గా 1992లో ఇది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. అండ్ ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ 2005 19th ఏప్రిల్లో it is replaced as food pyramid. Firstly, it is known as food guide pyramid. It is firstly known as food guide pyramid, and in the year of 2005 it is replaced as food pyramid, and this was firstly introduced by United States Department of Agriculture. And ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మీకు ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ అసలు ఏంటి, ఈ ఆరెంజ్, గ్రీన్, రెడ్, ఎల్లో, బ్లూ, పర్పుల్, ఈ కలర్స్ ఏంటి అంటే ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్. సో ఆరెంజ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ గ్రూప్స్, గ్రీన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ గ్రూప్స్, రెడ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ గ్రూప్స్, ఎల్లో టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ గ్రూప్స్, బ్లూ, పర్పుల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అచీవ్మెంట్ that you are balancing your food and you are going to achieve the food that should be included అని, అంటే వ్యాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ చాయిసెస్ దట్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ టేకింగ్ అని చెప్పడానికి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. దిస్ వాజ్ సజెస్టెడ్ బై ఐసిఎంఆర్. And also it correlates to amount of servings. ఇక్కడ మీకు సర్వింగ్ సైజెస్ అనేటివి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అయ్యాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్. సో ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని కప్స్, ఎన్ని గ్రామ్స్, ఎన్ని కటోరీస్లో మనము ఫుడ్ కన్జప్షన్ చేయాలి అని ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్లో తెలుస్తుంది. ప్రీవియస్గా మనము మై ప్లేట్లో ఎన్ని గ్రామ్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రామ్స్ ఎంత కన్జ్యూమ్ చేయాలని తెలిసింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు సర్వింగ్స్లో ఆ గ్రామ్స్ని మనము ఎక్స్చేంజెస్ ఆర్ సర్వింగ్స్ అనేది అని అంటాము. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి సర్వింగ్స్ అనేది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అయ్యాయి. సో ఎస్, దీస్ ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్ జనరల్లీ కోరిలేట్స్ టు అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వింగ్స్ దట్ షుడ్ బి నీడెడ్ ఫర్ అ పర్సన్, ఇండివిజువల్ పర్సన్ ఆర్ అ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పాపులేషన్. That is nothing but food pyramid. And also it promotes and also gives motivation for the exchange of activity, or it hold us to do physical activities also. Everything, food pyramid includes everything that should be done of a person or an individual person or a group of population. And also it says that my pyramid, it should be like, if we have to think in a proportion. Firstly, I'll just erase this. So if you are going to plan about food pyramid, then you need to think in a proportion. As I said, for a balanced diet, it should be important proportion, quantity, and think in a proportion and be active in a wearing of a choice based. And next is moderation, అంటే mindset, making of the mindset that what type of food that you need to be included, mindset. And next, improve gradually, that you need to improve gradually. అంటే ఏంటి, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఫుడ్ని కన్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తున్నారు, యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ proportion wise, and also you need to be in a very good mindset to choose the choice of the food that you are going to consume. And like this, you need to improve the what you'll say, the type of food that you are consuming in a step by step manner, that you need to improve in gradually. So it is also known as staircase or climbing ఆఫ్ అ పర్సన్ అని కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ క్లియర్గా చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అండ్ విత్ ఇన్ సేమ్ గ్రూప్ ఫుడ్స్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ మే డిఫర్ ఇన్ వన్ ఆర్ మోర్ న్యూట్రియంట్, అండ్ ఇన్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆర్ క్వాలిటీ ద ఫుడ్ మస్ట్ బి కన్సిడర్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ కన్సిడరింగ్ ఎనీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్, దెన్ ద క్వాంటిటీ అండ్ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మస్ట్ బి కన్సిడర్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ టేకింగ్, అది ఫుడ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ లిస్ట్లో మనం చెప్పుకుంటాము, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సీరియల్స్లోనే, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ రైస్, in place of this rice you can exchange with another some amount of another say some food of the cereal lone, some food item in place of rice, like you will take as a what we will say brown rice, white rice place lo we are exchanging it to brown rice, but the quantity will be the same and the quality will be the same. That means the same food group lo food items lo మీరు exchange చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is about food exchange list, that you will know after explaining about food exchange list. కానీ దానికంటే ముందు మనకి ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలవాలి. ఫస్ట్లీ if you are thinking about the food pyramid, then proportions and choices, mindset, and you need to improve gradually. If you are going to take this food pyramid into the consideration, then the proportion of the food and the choice of the food and the mindset that you are going to choose, or you are taking the quantity of the food should be in a very stable manner. And that అంటే ఇది స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్గా మనము గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాం. వీఆర్ ఇంప్రూవింగ్ అవర్ హెల్త్ త్రూ ది ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో గైడ్ కదండి. దట్ ఈస్ అందుకే ఫస్ట్లీ దాని పేరు ఫుడ్ గైడ్ పిరమిడ్ అనేసి మనం అన్నాము. సో దానికి దట్స్ వై దే ఆల్సో నేమ్డ్ యాజ్ స్టేర్ కేస్ ఆర్ క్లైంబింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ అని కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ క్లియర్గా చెప్పారు. So now we'll discuss about what is this orange, green, red, yellow, blue and purple colors. So generally oranges is nothing but grains, and greens are nothing but vegetables, and red is nothing but fruits. Okay, and yellow is nothing, first we'll write about blue. Yellow is nothing but fats and oils. And blue is nothing but milk and milk products. And purple is nothing but meat and beans. Okay, so the colors they have chosen like this: orange is for grains, and green is for vegetables, red is for fruits, yellow is for fats and oils, blue is for milk and milk products, and purple is for meat and beans. These are the colors they have chosen for the different type of food groups. And now what is this grain will do? As we know, it lowers the cholesterol, blood cholesterol levels, and it also lowers the heart diseases, it lowers the constipation, it has many type of vitamins and minerals that the person should intake. So it has vitamin, mainly B, vitamin B, it serves vitamin B, and also it is must be taken during pregnancy. So it must be taken అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి టేకెన్ డ్యూరింగ్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో కన్సప్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఫోలేట్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఆల్సో హ్యాస్ ఫోలేట్ అండ్ ఐరన్, సెలీనియం కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, రైట్, ఐరన్, selenium also it is there. Okay, and magnesium. Okay, so that is about the grains. And vegetables, as you know, it consists of vitamins E, C, potassium, and it also reduces blood pressure also. And 1 cup of raw cooked vegetables, or 2 cup of raw leafy vegetables can consumed as 1 cup from vegetable group. So here they recommended 1 to 2 cups. Okay, that should be consumed from vegetables. And from fruits, as you know, fruits are rich with vitamin C, and you know vitamin C is very important for the health, for it plays an important role in antioxidants, which you will learn in your further studies. And so vitamin C it is then, and also they have recommended 100 grams or half cup or 1 cup of fruits. Okay, and fats and oils, as you know, which plays an important role, as it consists of healthy fats and polyunsaturated fats. So you need to consume 5 grams, not to be excluded more. Okay, this is fats and oils is 5 grams should be consumed. And also milk and milk products also includes vitamin D. As we know, vitamin D plays an important role, and riboflavin, vitamin A, B12 milk and milk products has, and it should be consumed in 100 grams or ml or 1 cup. And here we'll have paneer, cheese and buttermilk also. So paneer or cheese should be, I think it is not visible, so I'll write paneer and cheese, it should be 30 grams, and buttermilk should be 250 ml. Okay. Why this buttermilk I have included means, while doing menu planning, I'll let you know why I have included buttermilk. And meat, as you know, it is rich with vitamins, more vitamin B vitamins is more in meat and beans, vitamin B complex. Okay, and it should be in 30 grams, not should be excluded. And yes, and for egg and fish, it should be 50 grams. Egg and fish, it should be 50 grams. So yes, that is about food pyramid andi. So once I'll explain in a brief manner. So firstly, it was discovered by USDA in 1992, and later it is replaced by food pyramid in the place of food guide pyramid in the year of 2005 in 19th April. And they have included that you need to choose or need to be in a very good mindset during choosing of your meals or your food groups. That is the main theme of the food pyramid, and they have included in a staircase manner that the person should be achieved, and they have included in a color manner, that is orange food groups, green food group, red, yellow, blue and purple. So for orange, it is indicated as grains, and grains which helps for lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as it is rich with vitamin B, folate, and which is important during pregnancy, and it is also rich with iron, selenium and magnesium. And next is green color, that is indicated with vegetables. So as you know, vegetables are rich with vitamin E and C, potassium, and they have included that the raw group or the cooked group, that should be it should be in 1 to 2 cups that should be consumed. And the fruit red, which is indicated for fruits, that as you know, fruits which are rich with vitamin C, as it plays an important role, and it consists of antioxidant property, and these should be taken in 100 grams or half or 1 cup of fruits that should be consumed daily. And next, yellow, it is indicated for fats and oils, and it should not exceed more than 5 grams, as it consists of healthy fat, polyunsaturated fatty acids also. That is about yellow. And next about blue, that is indicated for milk and milk products, as it is rich with vitamin D, A and B12. It should be consumed in 100 gram or ml in 1 cup. And in milk products, we have included paneer and cheese, that should be included in 30 grams, and not to be and in buttermilk 250 ml. And next, purple is indicated with meat and beans, and that is vitamin B, that is should be taken in 30 grams. And yes, egg and fish should be taken in 50 grams. So that is about food pyramid andi. If you go to, and also these all are portion sizes, and physical activity is also very important. Without physical activity, this type of food pyramid is not achieved. That is the final conclusion of the food pyramid. So that is about food pyramid andi.